out to?
Tune on this 180Z here. So they fitted a turbo, dropped it off for a tune. So you don't have the bonnet scoop in it yet. So hopefully they do that shortly. It'll cause a couple of issues. But just going to convert this pump and give it some boost signal so it can control fuel a little bit better. In the description it shows to just wind the fuel screw. A pretty poor way of doing it, so we'll make some adjustments here and see what we can do. You can use it at a later date, just totally okay. So we just pull this boost cover off here. What we'll do is apply some boost to the top of this, and what that will do is allow the pump to understand a little bit of boost, and it should give us a bit of a better driving feel. So what happens is the boost goes through this little hole into this cavity and pushes this plunger down. That's what everyone calls the boost pin, so to speak. I'll just go and get a pen and we'll mark that. We'll just pull this up here. Just make sure that we keep these little shims on there and the spring stays on there. So inside the pump you can see the mark lines up with our mark there, so obviously that pin's at the front. So this is what people call a boost pin when they're adjusting air fuel ratio on a boost compensator pump. So essentially this has been working in vacuum, so we're going to convert it, remove this line from the back here. We'll put the breather on there and we'll put boost to the top of this and see how it goes. So we'll just put this plunger back in after we've made some adjustments around to where we need it to be. So we haven't had any other adjustments except the boost compensator. There's no fuel screw being touched, and we'll do a quick dyno run when we hook a vacuum line up and see how it goes.
How'd you go with the 100 series?
Pretty good. I'll just change this to a boost so you can see what's happening here. So, as it come to us with a turbo already fitted, so you can see we had just over 9 psi, 9.5 psi, and we had about 25 to 1 up here, and about 19 to 1 here. So we've added a little bit of fuel from modifying the pump to accept boost on the top of the boost compensator. The later model 180Z pumps you can do this, the early ones you can't. So all in all's pretty good really. We've got about 21 to 1 in the mid-range where the max torque sort of is. So it should run nice and cool. Everything will work pretty well. Made a fair improvement over how it showed up. So big improvement in the mid-range, in torque, in the dotted line, and up here. So, over there. Yeah, all in all, pretty well. Pretty happy with it.
Nice. Maybe big.